Hi everyone, this is another Union rim cylinder. Again, it's a 5-pin lock. That's the bitting on the key for it. It's the lock working, nice and free operation. I'm going to pick using bottom of the keyway, tension, and as usual a number 2 clom hook. I'm just going to start at the front again this time. Quite high pins on this, so I need to try and get that pin 1 out of the way. Okay, that's pin 1. Pin 3. Pin 4. Quite good on him. Okay, let's come back up to pin 2. Try 4 and 5 again. Nothing on 5. 4, yeah, a little bit out of 4, so a bit out of, I think that was 2 or 1, pin 1, pin 2 or 3, definitely a little bit of counter rotation back there. There we go. It's picked open. So I think a combination of serrated pins and spool pins in there, and that makes a good fun little pick. And just want to say thanks to UCOF for giving me this lock, and a load of others recently. I really appreciate it. And I thank you for watching. See you next time.